Creating and organizing a YouTube channel involves several steps, from setting up the account to optimizing content for growth. Below is a detailed guide to help you start and organize your channel properly. Creating your YouTube channel. Step 1. Sign in to YouTube. Go to YouTube, click on the sign in button, top right corner, log in using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one first. Step 2. Create a channel. Click on your profile picture, top right corner, select Create a Channel, choose a channel name and profile picture. Click Create. Tip: pick a unique, easy to remember channel name related to your content. Customizing your channel. Step 1. Add a channel banner and logo. Click on your profile, then go to YouTube Studio, select Customization Branding, upload a profile picture and banner image. Recommended image sizes: profile picture 800 by 800 pixels, banner 2560 by 1440 pixels. Step 2. Add channel description. Go to YouTube Studio, Customization, Basic Info. Write a clear and engaging description about your channel. Include keywords to help people find your content. Step 3. Add social media links. Under Basic Info, scroll to links. Add links to your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or website. Step 4. Create a channel trailer, a short 1 to 2 minute video introducing your content and what viewers can expect. Upload it and set it as your channel trailer via YouTube Studio. Customization layout. Organizing your YouTube channel. Step 1. Create playlists. Go to YouTube Studio, Playlists, click New Playlist, name the playlist and add relevant videos. Use playlists to group similar content, tutorials, vlogs, reviews. Step 2. Use sections for a neat layout. Go to YouTube Studio, Customization, Layout. Add sections like popular uploads, latest uploads, playlists, featured channels.